What's up, everybody? Welcome Squad and welcome Slav Guns and Tour. We're at SHOT Show 2026, got my years correct, and I'm at the Palmetto State Armory booth. Now, what's cool about PSA is that if you want excitement, every year at PSA, there's something exciting. Sometimes a lot of excitement. And we're starting off with something that's really, really cool, and I'm here with Cameron. Thank you for having me here.
Thank you.
The AXR, walk us through it. It looks really, really cool, and there's lots of tactical Timmy stuff that everybody is gonna want.
Absolutely. So first up, we have the AXR pistol.
Yep.
Take it down here. So from front to back, so we have our new Sabre Plan B flash hider, compatible with Plan B suppressors. Next up, we have a Monolithic Top Rail, which links the receiver to the handguard. So you can mount lasers, clip-ons, whatever, maintain zero. This is a short stroke piston system. You have a reversible charging handle, which actually folds.
Everyone needs charging handle.
Absolutely.
Now, is it a reciprocating handle? It's
Non-reciprocating.
Non-reciprocating,
Yep.
so it's not gonna kill your hand.
Absolutely. So we have the lower here, full ambi. So we have ambi safety, ambi bolt catch and release, and ambi mag release.
Okay.
Going from there, so we have the new AXR stock. Actually, this is the brace version.
Okay.
So we have the stock version. Folds to the left and locks into place. And then we have our new AXR grip, has our AXR texture.
So one of the things I'm noticing about it, like in many ways, it looks like it's a brand new rifle. In other ways, it's like, hey, it looks like there's some components from like, it almost like feels like an AR-15.
Absolutely.
So kind of like, what's the use case for this? Like what was kind of like the premise behind the AXR line?
So really the major thing is just being a modular system.
Okay.
So with this one, we'll have different barrel lengths, calibers, handguard lengths. So really, all you would have to do to change the caliber or barrel length is we'll have different monolithic top rail lengths, different handguard lengths. So you can change it out to whatever caliber, whatever barrel length you want.
Okay.
It's also, the lower is compatible with AR controls.
Okay.
So safety's AR, the mag release, the bolt catch is proprietary to this because it cuts across to the other side there.
Triggers?
Trigger, so yeah, AR trigger. So this one has our Sabre claw trigger, two-stage DLC coded. But yeah, it's a perfect platform for modularity.
Now,
whatever mission you have.
On the trigger question, people are going to ask, and now that we kind of have a little bit more clarity with it, FRT is going to work on those or no?
We're still exploring that.
Okay.
Yeah. Yes.
It's only a matter of time until somebody brings it up, so
Absolutely.
bring it up. Okay. So that's the pistol version, and now you have, I would say probably what people would be looking at primarily, or?
So this one, we just have it configured with a 300 Blackout, 6 3/4 inch barrel. The rifle setup here, we have the stock, our AXR stock on here, same thing, folds to the left. This one's set up 14.5, 5.56, same Sabre Plan B flash hider, the same short stroke piston system, same controls and everything. So that's kind of the point of the AXR. It's just to be modular.
Okay.
Being able to swap calibers, barrel lengths, things like that.
So here's a question. I mean, obviously, a lot of the times when people talk about PSA, you guys do an amazing job at engineering. You do a really good job at creating products. But oftentimes, like, you might release something and talk about it and be like, okay, well, it might be a concept, it might be a production-ready gun. Kind of like, where in the process is this?
So these are the first prototypes of the AXR. So we are, we've kind of got aesthetics locked. We're still exploring. We'll still have to test and do function testing and endurance testing, things like that. So we're definitely doing these.
Okay.
It may take a little time.
Okay, so
Get the video.
no, people are going to bring up STG-44 and MP5.
I know.
But these are basically products that you guys are committed to,
Absolutely.
and we're going to see them. I'm sure we'll have at the PSA, the gathering, we're going to have more of these.
Absolutely.
And then we're kind of there. All right. And now I see AXR PDWs.
Yep. So we got another guy to talk about here.
Sorry?
We have another guy to talk about.
Okay.
Yeah.
You're doing that. Okay, so you're just doing those.
Yeah, I'm doing the rifles. Yeah.
All right. So we got the AXR new product lineup from PSA. So I guess it's almost kind of like a sub-brand, or like it's Palmetto State Armory, AXR is the model, or is AXR kind of like the sub-brand like Sabre and Soviet Arms, stuff like that?
So the AXR is under Sabre. The Sabre line, it's kind of a product line under Sabre.
Got it.
Yep.
All right. So these are the Sabre AXRs.
Yep.
More information very, very soon. I'm sure I'll have Can't link directly from here, but you can definitely go on slavguns.com. We'll have more pictures, more info, and then where you'll be able to find them from there. And then we have this, and we're gonna do a separate video on those. Cameron, thank you very much for having me.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
Very, very cool. I mean, like, they look awesome. They're not black. So it's, and look, it looks tactical. It's
Absolutely.
awesome. And if you have your other favorite rifle, I'm sure this is going to be a lot more attainable, in line with the promises that Palmetto State Armory makes to the gun owners in the United States.
Absolutely.
So thank you very much
Yes,
for having
sir.
me here
Thank you.
again.
Appreciate it.
And as always, thanks for watching. Keep on squatting, and I'll see you next video. Link down here.